at the tip of a finger, it transforms into a pickup truck. A very powerful car, but powered by sustainable CNG natural gas. The Bedouin is beautiful. One clearly can see is the sparkle of thousands of small crystals in a bling-bling way.
Back in 2003, this was the future. A natural gas-powered sports car that converted into a pickup truck.
My name is Rinderknecht. I'm the CEO of Rinspeed and I'm an automotive futurist.
Frank has been building cars for the Geneva Motor Show for 20 years. And this is just one of his many creations.
Bedouin, at the tip of a finger, it transforms into a pickup truck. The Bedouin, which we built quite some years ago, was to show sustainability. The Bedouin was powered by natural gas. When we built the vehicle in the early 2000s, batteries were still too weak to power a vehicle.
And if you think the shape of this car looks familiar, well, you'll be right.
The Bedouin, our really eye-catcher based on a 911, is set in beautiful and very soft leather, and then the seat bags are engraved by little crystals saying Rinspeed in a bling-bling way. If I want to activate the backside to be transformed, I just hit a simple button and here we go. Obviously you need to be stationary to do so. And beneath everything, as it's in a 911, we have the rear 6-cylinder engine.
And what did Porsche think of Frank's creation?
We had at the time a very good relationship. They looked at it positively because we never did really the unthinkable or too crazy stuff. Still within the outrageous, we stayed on the ground. We still wanted to maintain the basic design lines. We did not want to obstruct the original design, but to complement. And then we had to fit all the technology. We have to make it work on a relatively small amount of space. I'm now sitting in the Bedouin. What one clearly can see is the sparkle of thousands of small crystals, not only in the doors, but on the shift gear, but also on the steering wheel. The steering wheel, by the way, looks kind of odd because it's not round. The reason is that the steering within a little bit more than 90 degrees turns fully to the right or fully to the left, but that in a progressive way, which allows you much easier parking, but more stable driving on the freeway. We showed the Bedouin for the first time at the Geneva Motor Show. The Geneva Motor Show still is on our agenda. Transformable vehicles today are still kind of rare because it means also a lot more money to be invested in the vehicle, and it's cheaper to have like two different sorts of vehicle instead of combining two in one. But it still is in the people's head to have a car which serves many purposes.
With many years of creating unique concept vehicles, you never know quite what's next from Frank and the team at Rinspeed. But one thing's for sure, whatever they do, they'll do it in style.